Can't do that in a car. BikeBlogger here. Very windy. On my way back home from work, it's lunchtime. I'm gonna go grab some grub. Whew. One thing I forgot to mention in my previous video was that I forgot to lube. Alright. Use your signal, my gosh. I forgot to lube my bicycle chain. So we gotta go do that. We're gonna do that when we get home. Stuff will wear a lot quicker if you don't. Especially on a single speed bike. When you're putting a lot of stress on the bike chain. Woo! Very windy ride today. It's warm. It's gonna be hot soon. But it's windy. My gosh. I feel like I'm in a wind tunnel. Woo. So when I got to work today, there's no soap in the bathroom. So I couldn't, like, you know, wash up. So what'd I do with no soap? I'm talking about just cleaning my hands. You can use other things for just wiping down your body. Some clean wipes or whatever, but for my hands, I use bleach. Woo. Yeah, don't recommend using bleach. Definitely don't want to inhale the fumes. But bleach just kills everything, including good bacteria. So, more likely than not, by killing good bacteria, you're gonna get yourself sicker more often, so you don't want to do that. But hey, what else is it supposed to do, you know? No soap in the bathroom, but there's a big bottle of bleach. Let's go up this way. We'll go this way today. Up to the parking lot. We get to the other side of the residential area. I think this particular property has been here for decades, but that over there, all that construction over there, that's new. And just to my left is the Metrolink. It's a light rail, and that there, straight across that fence, that's only been there for about a decade. But they pretty much totally separated this neighborhood. I mean, you used to be able to go this way and you would get to the other neighborhood. I mean, this was just all one continuous street. But as you can see, it dead ends here. Now it's like a, well, not a tunnel, but it's like a lower level here or something where the train rides. Don't see one coming right now, but yeah, that's just totally cut off. So I got to go around to get across because there's no bridge right there. They should install a bridge, I think, to connect the residential community here with the Metrolink. It should be awesome if you lived around here. Because then you can just walk out your front door of your house or apartment and very quickly just jump on the train and go. But no, you gotta walk into that parking lot of that business to get onto the train, which it's not that far, but I guess what I'm getting at, let's get over here. As cyclists, it'd be nice if there was a bridge I could just jump across to get over the railroad tracks there, but there's not. So you gotta go around. But you know, it's not all that bad. I mean, I personally love to bike, so if I get a chance to bike further, I'll take it. Wow, look at all this work. All this staging, there's a lot of equipment. Shoot. What the heck was that? Why'd the lighting go green? They knew BikeBlogger was coming, that's why. Woo! Oh. As you can tell, I don't really have a topic for today, but it's actually the same day. You know, I recorded a lot of these videos on the same day, and I just don't post them all on the same day because that would be a lot, I think, for someone to consume. It's a lot of media, especially when you're probably watching other people on YouTube, or maybe you only watch me on YouTube, and I thank you for that. Dedicated BikeBlogger viewer. Yeah, it is warm. It feels nice though, because like I said, it's pretty windy. You can see a flag off in the distance really blowing around. It's not so windy right now though. I'm out in an open space and it's not very windy. Alright, we got a line of cars coming, so we're gonna have to sit here for a moment. Get out a little further. Get in the left turn lane. Light's going red, so we didn't make it. But this guy will change the light for us. Feels wonderful right now, though, when you're not moving. I mean, when you're not, you know, exercising hard. It's got cones. Look at all those cones. I'm gonna let the guy behind me pass me. If I go slow enough, this guy's going pretty slow in front of me. and get him to pass me. Gotta go real slow. I'm going 13 miles per hour. I'm not looking behind me, but I can sense there's a car behind me. I'm going faster now. I'm going 14.6 miles per hour. I don't want to ride all the way in the gutter here, though. Spinning out, I'm going too fast. I'm going 50 miles per hour. He's not behind me anymore. I don't know when he left or when he ain't paying attention. So, I wanted to sort of do a video about riding on the edge of the road and see how safe it is. I know it's not safe, but I want to see, you know, how cars react. I would have to guess that they would all react a little differently, and that's the thing. That's why you want to control the lane, ride in the middle of the lane, because you're going to get the same response every time, which is basically they don't have anywhere to go. They can't get around you, really. So they'll just follow, or they'll follow and honk. But you know what the reaction's going to be. If you're on the edge of the road, you don't know what the reaction's going to be. They're going to pass you really fast and close. They're going to honk. They're going to impede traffic by slowing down behind you and then, I don't know, trying to change lanes and then not being able to change lanes, and you're just going to confuse a lot of people if you ride on the edge of the road. Now, when is it okay to ride on the edge of the road? Well, not really any time, but I guess the one time when you could ride on the edge of the road is when you're in a bike lane. Because let's face it, most bike lanes are just the shoulder of the road. And generally, when they install a bike lane, they do it on a road that has a really wide lane. So they essentially just make the shoulder the bike lane. Now, why do I say bike lane? Because it's not really a lane, it's just a segregated part of the roadway designated for cyclists. You know, I don't really consider it a lane. I think that's a misrepresentation of what it really is. It's really a bike shoulder, I guess. A lane suggests you can, you know, move around, you know, with the, you know, with the rest of the traffic. You know, like changing lanes. I'm sure maybe somewhere there's a multi-lane bike lane infrastructure, but I don't know. Nomenclature. Semantics. This guy's out in the roadway. Run. Alright. Make a left here. We're gonna have to wait though because probably the car's coming. And we missed our turn. Thanks for watching. That concludes this video.